Next problem. Consider a rubber ball freely falling from a height h equal to 4.9 meters onto a horizontal elastic plate. Assume that the duration of collision is negligible and the collision with the plate is totally elastic. Then the velocity as a function of time and the height as a function of time will be. Okay, now let us understand the situation. Let us say a ball is dropped from height h. Okay, now it is under the action of an acceleration equal to g, acceleration due to gravity. Now because of which it will, as it comes down and hits the ground, its speed is increasing uniformly, given by v is equal to u plus at, or you can write it as v equal to gt. So as a function of time, the speed is increasing. Now if we take the downward direction as negative and upward as positive, so the speed is increasing as the ball is coming down, but it is increasing in the negative direction, and initially the speed was 0, so it will keep on increasing up to a point when it hits the ground. The moment it hits the ground, and considering that it takes negligible time in the collision, it will spring back, or it will bounce back with the same speed equal to gt, but the direction has reversed. Now when it is going up, the speed is coming down. Okay, now it will be gt minus, this is the maximum speed, minus g into t dash. So when it is going up, its speed is again decreasing. Okay, now at the point of collision, or at the time of collision, the velocity has reversed, so it will go up to the maximum height, and when it reaches a maximum height, its speed becomes 0, then it comes down in the negative direction. So this same thing follows. Then again it collides with the ground, its speed changes the direction, and then it again follows this curve. So this is how the curve will be made between the speed v and time t. Now the distance traveled will be parabolic because s is equal to ut plus half at square, so it is half gt square that will come, and this is a parabolic curve, quadratic expression. So initially it is at a height h, and then height becomes 0 parabolically, then it again jumps back, height keeps on increasing parabolically, it reaches a maximum height, then it again comes back. Okay, so this is the curve that will be made. This is downward journey, this is upward journey or ascent, this is maximum height, then it is again descent and then ascent. Okay, so if you compare with vt and st or ht curve, so these are the points when it is striking the ground. Okay, this point and this point, and the curve will be like this. Okay, vt and ht curve. So among the 4 options given, option C is correct.